I built an entire brand, name, logo, mockup, and Instagram post using only free AI tools. And I didn't even open Photoshop. Let me show you how I did it in under an hour. Step 1. Brand name and logo. Luca. Search keyword like calm plus productivity. Luca gave me brand name, logo style, and colors. I picked one called Flow State Logo. Ready in 60 seconds. Step 2. Product mockup Moki AI. Uploaded logo to Moki. Selected t-shirt and no tote mockup. Got realistic images with zero editing. This would take 30 minutes in Photoshop. Step 3. Lifestyle mockup Leonardo AI. Prompted minimal dash scene with a flow state mug. AI generated full photo scene. Looks like a pro shoot, but it's AI. Step 4. Instagram post Kittle. Enter brand name, selected template. Kittle made 3 clean carousel posts. No Canva, no editing, it just works. Step 5. Brand kit. Canva AI. Dropped everything into a brand board. Use Canva AI to generate tagline plus brand tone. I now have a full brand kit. Logo, visual, voice, made in one session. All free, all AI. Want me to build a store next using these? Comment AI brand and hit subscribe.